You ready to revolutionize your kitchen game? Introducing the CHEFMAN Digital Air Fryer, a multifunctional powerhouse that air fries, roasts, bakes, dehydrates, and even includes a built-in rotisserie. All in one sleek appliance. With 17 touchscreen presets, this all-in-one convection oven takes the guesswork out of cooking. Whether you're crisping up fries, slow roasting chicken, or dehydrating fruit for healthy snacks, the CHEFMAN makes it effortless. Plus, it cooks up to 40 faster than traditional ovens, no preheating required. Thanks to its extra large talent capacity, you can make full family-size meals or prep food in bulk for the week. Let the large easy view window and built-in light help you monitor your food's progress without opening the door and losing heat. Cleanup? A breeze. The removable drip tray and dishwasher-safe parts make post-meal chores almost non-existent. With 98 less oil usage, you're not only saving time but eating healthier too, ready to take your cooking to the next level. To learn more and order your CHEFMAN Digital Air Fryer, click the link in the description.